You're in a Google Meet video conference call and you want to share your screen with the other participants. How do you do that? I'm Chanel Greco from Saperis, and in this video I'll show you how you can share your screen in Google Meet. Go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel because twice a week I post video tutorials about Google Meet, Gmail, Google Drive, and other apps from G Suite. I'm in a video conference call in Google Meet, so I want to now share my screen with the other participants. Here there's an icon, Present Now. If we click on it, there's a drop-down list that gets displayed, and we have the possibility to share our entire screen, which I'm doing now. And since I have two screens hooked up, so my notebook and my external screen, I get the choice of choosing which one I want to display. I'll choose the screen, the one I'm on right now. And now it's getting ready to present my whole screen. There you go. So now the participants of this call actually see what's going on here on my screen, on my desktop. And I can stop presenting by just clicking on this button. Okay, the second possibility is to share a window. And here I have a second window prepared, which I want to share. So now I'm sharing this here, and you see this nice little information here. It lets me know that I'm sharing my window with the other participants. Let's stop presenting that, and let's try out the last one, a Chrome tab. So here I have all the Chrome tab in my two separate Chrome windows that I have open. Let's choose this one. So now I'm choosing this here, and you see that nice blue line and again that information. So that lets me know that I'm sharing this Chrome tab with the participants of my meeting. Let's go ahead and close that out, stop presenting. We'll also leave the call. Okay, so if you have any questions concerning screen sharing, or something's not working, or you're a bit unsure about something, go ahead and leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. If you like the content of this video, go ahead and give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to this video channel so that you're informed whenever I upload a new tutorial video about Google Meet or any other app from G Suite.